Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take profit right here on Aster DEX. If you click right here on Connect Wallet and select right here Phantom, we can click on Confirm and now we connected our wallet so we can start trading. We also need to deposit money right here to our Aster DEX and we can do this simply by selecting Solana, then select right here USDT and select how much USDT we want to deposit, select deposit and now we can start trading. So from now we have here Bitcoin to USDT, and if you want to create a take profit right here, what we're going to do is select right here first of all the TP and SL, and then after that select right here which size we want to step in. So let's say 100 USDT. Then right now we go here to take profit and I recommend you to select right here price. So now we can fill in right here the trigger price where he will create or sells a take profit order. So now we fill in 75k. So this means that when he will hit 75k, that he will take the profit automatically. So right now, when we click right here on buy order, now normally it's standing right here buy order, but now it's standing deposit because I don't have any money standing on this account. But if you see right here buy order, select that and then you create yourselves a position for 100 USDT right here on Aster DEX. And when the price will goes up right here to 75k, you see exactly right here what we made or will make, sorry. And that is $12.48 USDT. And then when he will hit that price, he will automatically give us right there the profit. So this is exactly how you can take profit right here on Aster DEX. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.